Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to, well, you probably know by the title, but I wanted to find out if the MagSafe charger works with other charging bricks. So this one is the Apple Watch charging brick. So obviously it's not an 18 watt or a 20 watt charger. So I wanted to find out if this works with MagSafe, and just wanted to make a video for you guys as well, so that you can just to show you guys that if it does work or not. So I'm going to get that plugged in so you can see the lightning cable. So I'm just going to get that connected. There you go. And let's put the, so that's the cable now on. And well, let's find out if it actually charges or not. So if I place the phone, so you can see there's nothing coming up. There's nothing on the indicator. Let me just show you there. There's nothing on the indicator as well, so you can see. And it is on. I'll just show you guys. If I try to get the power brick out. So if I show you there, and there's the charger there. That's connected. You can see there's the green light. Power is on. And let's put that back there. So you can see still nothing has come up, whether it's charging or not. So you can see there still nothing. Even if I did that, nothing there. You can see 76% and there's no charging indicator. Now what I'm going to do is try it with the Apple Watch and see if that does anything. So that also doesn't charge, so it's not even turned on basically, because I'm guessing obviously with the MagSafe, because it's a 18 watt fast charging, well, obviously you can use an 18 watt charger or the Apple 20 watt charger, and that's why it's not working. So now if I take that off from the charge, so that's that wire which didn't work. So if I put the fast charging one on now, so I've got the 18 watt fast charger here. So connect that and connect this up. So let me just take this off. So now I've got so this is the 18 watt fast charger. I've not actually got my Apple, that's upstairs, but that is a fast charger. It's the 18 watt one. And let's see if it works. There you go. So you've got the little signal there, which is charging. So yeah, so if you were thinking probably you don't want to fast charge every single time, but you really like the MagSafe charger, the duo charger, which I do like as well. It looks very nice. It's just so much easier for traveling as well. You can charge your watch and your phone at the same time, which is something that I really wanted, but also I didn't want to fast charge every single time. So I was thinking if I use the Apple Watch brick and use it with this, it may charge, but obviously at a slower rate. But obviously, as you can see from this video, it didn't. But you have to have a fast charge to make it actually work. So you can see there, that's how that one works. So just a short little video there just to show you guys that the MagSafe charger actually doesn't work with lower rated wattage or amps. So yeah, you will need a fast charger to make this actually work and to charge your phone. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.